So I'm in this pond, one that you just saw, and man, I don't know if there's. I mean, I don't doubt there's carp in here. I just don't know if I'm gonna get a bite. I got too many turtles, and right when I came in, I don't know, like 7, 8, 10 turtles just jump in the water. So if there was any carp close, they might just be spooked. So I'm gonna get this spot about an hour, and I'm gonna try to go to another spot that I know for sure there's carps. I don't know, man. You never know. You never know until you throw. I mean, see, that's something. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So, right in that corner right there, do you see? There's some serious jumping over there. I mean, ladies, you see it? You see it? Let's see. Around there. I mean, there's serious jumps and splashing right in the weeds. You know, what does that mean? Ladies, you see it? You see it? There it is over there. What is that? I mean, for real. It looks like spawning carps to me. Let's see what happened. See it? So that's it right there. See if I can see the. They are right on the weeds, just spawning. I hope you can see that. Look at that. They are carp spawning right in here, brother. I'm just looking at all. I can see all their tails. I can see everything. Any moment. She comes. Man, I wish you can see this right, man. This is awesome. Look at that. Right in there. So I came to this spot right here, right, this pond, just to see if there were carps in here, because I work 2 minutes from here. And obviously there are carps, but they are spawning all over this wheat bed. I mean, they're just going. I hope I got some good footage. But they are just jumping. Look at that, over there. You see it? Look at it. Look at it. I mean, I can see the tails. Everything. I don't know, man. I might just want to bring over here my rods. I don't even know if that's possible, but I can try. Because there's just, obviously the cars are right here. Alright, this is my hat. Well, you didn't saw the action, but I just got a fish. The wrong one, but it's a fish. It's better than nothing. Oh. Man, guys. Alright. There it is. Mighty yellow bullhead. This right here. This right here. Look at this fat catfish. The wrong one, man. I can see. At least I got a fish. See what happened. Alrighty. Well, I don't have much time. Look at that beautiful flowers. Anyway, and that's what I want to talk about. Yeah, maybe I only got a yellow bullhead, which is nobody likes yellow bullheads. I think they're pretty awesome. Just little, really aggressive fish. But this is what I love about being here. You know, I get to see carp spawning, massive, scary ass turtles, and spend some relaxed time, man. That's just basically what it's all about. Fishing is about to be relaxed and enjoying to be outside. And the spawning, yeah, it's a slow time of fishing. Why? Because I know a lot of fish are you know, in the mood of eating. You know, they're more about spawning, which is mating. But you gotta be happy about that too, because that means that you're gonna have fish to keep fishing for more time. And today, I just got to see spawning carps, and I have seen many videos of them, you know, slapping around the edge of the lakes and ponds. But today I got to see it, and I got to record it, you know, and that's just my first time, and it was pretty awesome. I mean, I didn't got a car. I keep seeing little carps jumping in there, spawning and doing all their thing. And I don't have much time. I gotta go check on the wife. But if I get a carp, I will put it in the video. But if it doesn't come out, well, at least I know there's carps in this little pond. So this is it. Again, no more. Until next video, fish on later.